by a tranquil pond. A gentle breeze blows steadily, rustling the leaves amidst the water. Beneath a cluster of yellow iris, a cozy floating nest glistens in the sunlight. This is the cradle meticulously prepared by the parents of the little grebes for their 5 chicks. The chicks rest peacefully under the warm wings of their mother, while their father is out searching for food. The wind acts like a tender lullaby, softly coaxing the little ones to sleep. This scene is filled with the tranquility of nature and the beauty of life.